ambassador of Asia, I want to express my gratitude to all those who have supported me from the day one until now. A special thank to Mr. Jun Felix, Miss Amy, our President, Miss Bing, our Vice President, Ate Len, Ate Annie, and most importantly to all members of the Brothers Group, and to all PSHA community, and to all teachers as well. Your guidance, help, and time are truly appreciated. I'm incredibly grateful for everything you have done. I cannot thank you enough. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At lagi pa rin din po ako nandito upang tumulong sa PSHA event or anumang mga projects. Nandito pa rin po ako para sumuporta. Maraming salamat po once again. And Merry Christmas. And God bless all of us. Thank you.